Good morning. It is a windy and overcast day here in North Carolina. And today I'm going to try and do something like I did last week. I'm going to stay in one spot and see what I can photograph in this little area here. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, the reason why I'm here right now is because of this weeping willow. Weeping willows are incredibly important to nesting birds, and it's not because of the weeping willow itself, it's the hundreds of insects that depend on weeping willows for their life cycle. And what happens is the birds come here, they feed on the insects that are here, they bring those caterpillars back to their nest, and caterpillars are very important to nestlings because birds have no way of bringing water to their nestlings. And if you've ever stepped on a caterpillar, you know it's full of this mushy little stuff. Caterpillars are important because they don't have teeth, they don't have claws, they're very easy to catch, they can be killed very easily and fed to their nestlings, and that's why they're so important. And that's why this weeping willow is important to the birds, and that's why I'm standing here right now hoping to photograph some birds. I just saw two otters. I know they're not birds, but I'm just so excited whenever I see otters. They're a fairly common mammal here in North Carolina, but they're very secretive. They lead a very secretive life. And I think the reason why I was able to see these ones and get this video of them is because literally they were just swimming down the stream. And when they got to about 30 feet away from me, they realized what I was, and they literally, like somebody just snapped their fingers and they just disappeared. But I just get so excited when I see them because, like I said, they're such a secretive animal. I took a few pictures of them. I'm not sure how well they came out. I'm not proud of them, but here are the pictures anyways. Just had a yellow-breasted chat come by. These are a fairly rare bird here in North Carolina. One of the reasons why I picked this spot where I am now is because usually during the breeding season we can find a chat where I am. So that's one of the reasons why I picked this spot. I was really hoping I'd be able to photograph it. Unfortunately, he was kind of high in the trees, and as you can see behind me, I just have these gray clouds behind me. I don't know how well this is going to come out. I did have to advance my light meter when I took the picture, so we'll see how it looks. I'm not real optimistic about this picture coming out really good, but here's the image. Well, I was really hoping to get this video done before the rain starts coming. I've already had to run underneath the car twice already for the rain, so I'm going to end the video here. I had a great time out here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Sean Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.